Hey everyone, it's Robin and Jonah here with Wearable Imaging. I wanted to share with you guys this really cool project that we just recently did for one of my favorite people and new authors in this world. His name is Michael Bernoff, and he just wrote this amazing book called Average Sucks. If you haven't had a chance to grab your copy, please do so. Anyway, so what Michael did was something super brilliant. Sent out a package to a lot of his prospective and existing clients to introduce not only his book, but this really cool package of all the swag. And we are just so honored because we, as Wearable Imaging, have had the honor to produce all these very cool products. I want to show you the box this came in. First of all, this is amazing. Just, you know, I want to give a huge shout out to Deborah, Michael's wife, who created all the graphics on this. It was just super amazing. But this literally came as a UPS package in the mail. This is just a full color sublimated box, and it just was sealed with a UPS label. So this is just a great idea for you if you're doing you know, some virtual events coming up and you want to send out products ahead of time, and you have some, you know, workbooks or swag you want to send out. It's just a great way to get your team excited. So let us show you some of the cool products that he did. Again, my favorite logo in the world is Average Sucks. And so first of all, sent out this really cool t-shirt with Michael Bernoff logo behind. And this just simple notepad, but again, the brand is always going to stay in front of you. Little post-it notepad with a really cool pen. And then you want to show the bottle, Jeremy?
Yeah, so he did a really cool LED light up bottle, and it basically is your average water bottle. Can go anywhere with you, camping, hiking, great for exercise. He put the logo right here, but even cooler than that, it has an LED light right here on the front. Super awesome, super cool. You can shine it on things, and then it also has one that goes on the water bottle itself. Really a cool visual to kind of go behind your logo. You can see the bubbles when you shake the water bottle. Just awesome for, like I said, traveling, hiking, exercising, and just a little added fun with the LED lights. Another great idea to really get your brand to stick with whoever is carrying this water bottle. He also did this awesome little monthly view and monthly scope calendar. So inside the calendar, you see all the days, obviously, and then each new month has a little saying, like, take the step. The other one says, you are not here to be like everyone else. Just awesome little sayings to kind of get people motivated and moving that go along with the Average Sucks brand. So just an awesome little product, again, that came in the box with the water bottle and the t-shirt and the book and the notepad. An awesome little product in the box.
Here's another cool thing he added, which is a workout towel. Super soft workout towel, goes around your neck here, and again with the brand at the very bottom. So something kind of subtle, not like in your face, but just very, very well done, very classy. Just another very fun. All of these products, as you can see, are super functional, but just very, very well done, very classy, very out of the box. This is a USB plug-in for your USB and a plug. That's something that people need always. Take with you everywhere, but just look how cute that looks. Very classy. And just something else super fun, just to put on your computer, in the window of your car. I'm actually going to put that in my window of my car. So I really, really like this. Yeah. Again, Michael's one of my favorite people. If you haven't had a chance to buy his book, download it, check it out. This man is amazing. He's changed my life, that's for sure. I'm forever grateful. So anyway, just wanted to share this awesome project with you. If there's anything else we can help you with, please reach out. sales@wearableimaging.com. Have a great day, everybody.